Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reactivate a deactivated Facebook page that has been disabled on your Facebook app on iOS or Android. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do this. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right. On this page, select See More, and then select the Pages button. So if there's any pages in here that have been removed, they should appear in here. You would select the three-dotted icon next to it and you would reactivate it. Otherwise, you would be good to go. It should show up underneath pages you manage, but it would also possibly show pages you've already deactivated in the past. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.